Definitely one of the best places we have been so far.
Yeah. In the last episode of Danellas, we explored the southern part of the west coast. But what happens if we turn right in Kumara Junction? Join us this episode to find out. We have arrived on the west coast just in time for sunset, so we stopped on the road to say goodbye to the sun before heading to the campground. We spent the night at McMillan Road just before Punakaiki. It's free for self-contained only, and it's right on the ocean.
1, 2, 3, 4. Sto facendo tutto sbagliato.
Beautiful, eh?
Right after breakfast, we went off to Punakaiki. The weather conditions were way too good for this place. The best way to visit is with high tide and strong winds. These conditions create a spectacle of water surging from below the rocks. But not today.
Wake up, darling, on the way up to the sun, sitting by the trees, roll another one. Wake up, darling, on the way up to the sun, sitting by the trees, let's roll another.
So, Pancake Rocks is one of those places where you do need bad weather conditions, unlike today, because you need very high tide, like at the peak, and then you need massive waves, and then you need a lot of wind, and then you need the whole ocean to be angry and just to BAM! Go onto the rocks and be like
Dolphins!
With a smile like one, living in the sun, sipping on the fresh port. Wake up, darling, on the way up to the sun, sitting by the trees, let's roll another one. Wake up, darling, on the way up to the sun, sitting by the trees, let's roll another one. La 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 la, oh la 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 la, wake up, oh darling, 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 oh la 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 la, oh la 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 la, wake up, oh darling, 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 oh no wanna be.
At least something's happening today at the Pancake Rocks. My moves.
Taking advantage of the good weather, we stopped for a climb at Bullock Creek Road. The place is amazing and it looks a bit like the set of Jurassic Park. But be careful to plan your climb properly, as this place is not accessible when it has been raining for a while. After climbing, it's time for us to move up north. The landscapes here are breathtaking. Once again, we get to the campground just in time for a walk on the beach at sunset. What incredible views.
Oh no, no. Oh no, I walk down into Embers of Red.
stay here with the young people doing the barbecue.
Yeah. But there is also an old
And-
guy, old couple over there.
Okay. And the locals playing the music.
Stay tuned for next episode. We're going somewhere awesome. Less sunsets, more action.
We are actually walking on a path of coal. How cool is that? And mud. Oh, this way. Wait. Do you have something to say?
Yes. Thank you guys for getting to the end of this episode of Tanella, and give us a thumb up if you've liked the places that we've been to.
Indeed.
Bye.